it's Rose from Gaming with Rose. Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be telling you guys some more stories. Because you guys seem to be enjoying it, so might as well. I have a lot of them and I want to share them out with you guys. So today I'm going to be telling you some stories from when I was little. I had to ask my mom some of these because I don't remember too much from when I was little, because what I consider, when I say when I was little, I said that so many times, but when I say when I was little, I consider it about 6 and under or 5 and under. So these stories are from when I was really young, 3 and under. So let's get started. I'm kind of excited, but not at the same time, because I'm gonna get embarrassed badly. So this story, I remember my mom telling me this. Basically, when I was really little, we had these 2 cats, Peanut and Whittle, and one of them decided, I'm not gonna use the litter box. No, why use the litter box? I'm gonna poop on the floor. And so they did, and then little old 2-year-old me looked at it and was like, chocolate! Oh, God. Oh. And I ate it. And my mom came over to check on me, and right as I put it in my mouth, she's like, no, Rose, no! And that's disgusting. Why? Just why would I do that? That happened. Another one was, basically, my mom just now told me this. Apparently, when I was little, I spilled this whole box of Cheerios all over the floor, and my mom's like, what the heck, Rose, what the heck? And then I laid in it and started making snow angels. Why? So, why? What? So apparently, I just decided to do this. Cheerios, yay. What? What the heck? Dude. I have another story from when I was little. So, this happened, I have a couple actually. So, this one happened when I was 3 years old. My dad was, I'm sorry. That was back to the seizures video. I had a seizure. I'm sorry, guys. But another story was, my dad was in his garage for a second just to grab something, and I got out of the garage, and he got out of the garage to check on me. And wait, what? No, he didn't. Okay, wait.